In today's video, I'll show you how to organize workspaces in Typeform step by step. If you manage multiple forms, clients, or projects, keeping your workspace organized can save a lot of time and make collaboration much easier. First, open your Typeform account and go to your main dashboard. This is where all your forms and workspaces are stored. If you already have multiple forms mixed together, organizing them into separate workspaces is a smart idea. For example, you can create different workspaces for clients, departments, projects, or teams. To create a new workspace, look for the Workspace menu or sidebar and click the option to create a new workspace. Next, give your workspace a clear name. Try using names that are easy to recognize, like marketing forms, client projects, or customer surveys. Once the workspace is created, you can start moving forms into it. Open the Form Options menu and choose the Move option to transfer forms into the correct workspace. This helps keep related projects together and reduces clutter on your dashboard. You can also invite different team members to specific workspaces. This is useful because each team only gets access to the forms they actually need. Another helpful tip is using consistent naming for forms. For example, adding labels like survey, lead form, or registration at the beginning of form names makes searching much easier later. If your workspace contains many forms, archive old or inactive forms to keep your active projects easier to manage. You should also review permissions regularly to make sure only the right people have editing access. Before finishing, take a moment to preview your dashboard and confirm your forms are grouped properly. A clean workspace makes future management much faster and more efficient. And that's it. You've successfully organized your workspaces in Typeform and created a cleaner, more professional flow. And that's how you organize workspaces in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.